Do you know what day it is today? Today is the last day you're gonna see me walking. I can't lie. Tomorrow we're starting to run again. Yo, I've been waiting down on this day. I can't lie. I haven't been counting. I don't even know what day it is, but I know today's my last day to walk. And then tomorrow I start running. Yo, bro. We're starting again the 4 a.m. club. We're starting again the 4 a.m. club. Well, I mean, it's always been the 4 a.m. club, but we're starting the actual 4 a.m. club again, starting from tomorrow. I can't wait, bro. But yeah, nonetheless, guys, I hope you guys are ready for that, because we're gonna start again running every single day. 4 o'clock in the morning, every single day again. We're gonna start that again. But pace, look, bro, it's not about the pace, no. It's not about the distance. It's not about how fast I'm running. It's literally about momentum. That's all it is. Momentum, clarity, and momentum. That's the main thing. It gives me clarity and gives me momentum. I don't go to get there as fast as possible. I don't go there to get further than anyone. I can run quite far. I can do it. I know I can. But it's not about the distance or how fast I'm doing it. It's about momentum, boss. Literally. So I can't wait. Fuck. I can't wait, bro. Here.